Look up. On a clear night, away from city lights, you can see thousands of stars, each one potentially a sun, maybe with planets of its own. Our Milky Way galaxy alone? That contains hundreds of billions of stars, and our galaxy is just one of perhaps 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Do the math. The number of potential planets is staggering. More potential worlds than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches. It feels almost inevitable, doesn't it? That somewhere out there, among that countless multitude, other life exists. Maybe even civilizations looking back at us. And yet, silence. Utter, profound silence. We call it the Great Silence. No signals, no starships, no galactic empires filling the void. Just us, seemingly. This deep cosmic contradiction has a name. The Fermi Paradox. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked during a lunchtime chat back in 1950, surrounded by colleagues discussing UFOs, "But where is everybody?" It's one of the biggest, most humbling questions we can ask. With numbers so vast, why haven't we found any evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence? Today, we dive into the cosmic mystery, exploring the mind-bending possibilities behind the silence. Get ready, because some of these ideas are truly wild. First, let's be clear. We know planets are common. Thanks to telescopes like Kepler and now James Webb, we've confirmed thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars. Many are in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. The ingredients for life, as we know it, seem to be widespread in the universe. Astronomer Frank Drake even tried to estimate the number of communicative civilizations in our galaxy with his famous equation. You plug in factors like star formation rate, planets per star, the fraction that develop life, intelligence, technology, and even with conservative guesses, the Drake equation often spits out numbers suggesting potentially thousands, even millions of civilizations should exist in the Milky Way right now. So, where are they? Let's explore the hypotheses, from the straightforward to the seriously strange. Possibility 1. We are rare, or first. Maybe Earth is incredibly special. The rare Earth hypothesis suggests that while simple microbial life might be common, the exact combination of factors needed for complex, intelligent life, a stable star, large moon, magnetic field, plate tectonics, the right chemistry, billions of years of relative stability, is extraordinarily rare. It took over 4 billion years for intelligent life to evolve here. Maybe we're simply one of the first in our galactic neighborhood. We might be early to the cosmic party, exciting, but also kinda lonely. If some godlike being could rerun the tape of Earth's history, the evolution of intelligence is not guaranteed to happen again. Possibility 2. The Great Filter. This one's more chilling. The Great Filter theory proposes there's some incredibly difficult, perhaps near impossible step or barrier that life struggles to overcome. Maybe the leap from simple to complex life is the hurdle, or the development of intelligence itself. Or, more worryingly, the filter could be ahead of us. Perhaps technological civilizations inevitably invent something that destroys them. Nuclear war, runaway climate change, rogue AI, engineered plagues. It is not difficult to imagine a technological civilization destroying itself. We need only extrapolate from the short history of the harnessing of nuclear energy. If this is true, the silence isn't empty. It's the sound of a cosmic graveyard. Possibility 3. They exist, but they're hiding, or we're irrelevant. What if they are out there, but choose not to contact us? The zoo hypothesis suggests advanced civilizations might view Earth as a wildlife preserve, observing us without interfering, maybe waiting for us to mature. Or perhaps we're just not interesting enough yet. Maybe there's a galactic club of advanced species, and we haven't passed the entry exam. Or maybe their motivations are utterly alien to us. Perhaps they simply don't care about contacting lesser species. Possibility 4. We can't detect them yet. Maybe we're looking for the wrong things, or in the wrong way. We mostly listen for radio waves, but advanced civilizations might use communication methods we haven't even conceived of. Neutrinos, gravitational waves, something else entirely? Maybe life evolves into forms we wouldn't even recognize. Perhaps post-biological, existing as pure information or energy. Or maybe space is just really, really big. Civilizations could be incredibly far apart, their signals too faint or taking millions of years to reach us. And the list goes on. Maybe they existed but died out long ago. Maybe they're hibernating, the aestivation hypothesis. Maybe they fear attracting attention, the dark forest hypothesis. Maybe we are living in a simulation designed without other intelligent actors. Despite the silence, the search continues. Organizations like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, keep scanning the skies for artificial signals. Missions explore our own solar system for microbial life on Mars, Europa, and Enceladus. We've only just begun to search. The universe is still a big place. The fact that we haven't found anything means nothing. We've barely begun to look. So, why the great silence? Are we rare? Are we early? Are we quarantined? Or are we just missing something fundamental about life and intelligence in the cosmos? The truth is, we don't know. And that's okay. The Fermi Paradox isn't just a scientific puzzle. It's a mirror reflecting our own hopes, fears, and our place in this vast, strange, and beautiful universe. It reminds us how precious our own world and our own intelligence might be. What do you think is the most likely reason for the great silence? Until next time, keep looking up. The answers might just be written in the stars.